everyone. Today I welcome you all for G.C.E English Academy. Right, when we concern about the second criteria of writing, so then Lexica resources would be the best. So then what we know about the lexis, so which is we call actually the vocabulary. So lexical resources. So when you write that, any prompts of your writing, so you can consider different types of vocabulary. So then it might be some kind of different word limits, and then anyhow with the strong and variations of the vocabulary. Actually, while you are writing your essays, then you can focus on any types of vocabulary, but not to repeat same word over and over. So if it is, so your essay gonna be really condemn your essay. So anyhow, when we use that the same word over and over, it is a repetition. So it will be reducing your quality of writing. So you should be really responsible on that and at one word at a one time.
Contact us for inquiries via WhatsApp 0768632275. Call 207-166-56325.